How to create poll on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step on how to create a poll in WhatsApp. First of all, after you open your WhatsApp, go and open the person that you want to send him the poll. So for me, let's say I want to send the poll in WhatsApp group. So open the WhatsApp group. So after you open the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp conversation, tap on this icon. So tap on this poll. So after you tap on this poll, all you have to do now, ask the question that you want to send in the poll. So let's say I want to, how old are you? So after you ask the question, all you have to do, just tap on this. As you can see, the first option it says add. So I'll just add like 20. The second one I will add 30. So third one I will add 50. So if you want to add even more, you can just keep adding. So after you just finish adding your poll or your just options, all you have to do, just tap on this allow multiple answers. So you can allow one person to choose multiple answer, or you can just make it you can just leave it like this, so one person can be able just to answer one answer. So after you finish just setting up your poll, tap on this send button. So as you can see now, I send the poll. So all you have to do now, if a person just tap on this send, as you can see 20. So the person can just be able now to just choose his answer. So that's it guys on how to create poll on WhatsApp. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and ask question in the comments. Thank you for watching guys.